Welcome everybody to Miss Wildiful's Flyball for those who enforce the law. I'm your host, Miss Wildiful. And today I want to take a moment to acknowledge the National Police Dog Foundation, because that's why it's called Flyball for those who enforce the law. So this is a good charity to donate to if you ever want to support police dogs. I actually found out recently that most police departments do not cover all of what it actually costs to have police dogs, so most of it's actually funded by people who donate. Just as a fun fact, I like this charity. It has good ratings. So let's jump into everything. Let's jump into it. Here's the lineup. We have Spruce from Amy. I think Spruce is really cute. I like how their show name is You've Been Spruced. It sounds like you've been pranked, and that's what it feels like when I hear You've Been Spruced. And then we have Maddie from Meow Me. She is actually, I don't think she's the sister of Jody, who's Jay's mother, but it kind of feels like it. It kind of feels like she should be considered Jay's aunt. And then we have Tucker from Abby. Tucker is the only Team Blackberry we have. The only Team Blackberry dog today. Most of them are Blueberry. And then we have Davina. She's my dog. She has not gotten enough screen time for this year's Summer Olympics, so I figured that she needs to be seen. So Davina is our Team Raspberry dog. Well, we might use Sietta too on the second round. But I know Davina, she is not the best at sports when it comes to Frisbee and soccer, but she's actually pretty good at Flyball, so she loves Flyball. I figure this would be perfect for her to be in this one. And then as far as subs, we have Bo from Amy, who's on Team Blueberry, and we have Fo from Meow Me. So I think it's really funny that we have a Bo and a Fo. Their names rhyme, and they're both Team Blueberry. And then Sietta, I already mentioned her. So, yeah, most of them are Blueberry. We have the participants, we have the subs, but I think what I'm going to do is for round one, we're going to have Spruce and Maddie from Team Blueberry against Tucker and Davina. And then on round two, we'll have Bo and Fo against Tucker and Sietta, or Tucker and Davina. We only have one Blackberry, so it's a bit strange today. Most of them are Blueberry, so I'm thinking we're going to play everybody, including the subs, since our canine selection is limited. And we have Jay here. He's our special guest from Meow Me. He's adorable. He's not going to be playing Flyball because he's too young, and I'm afraid he's going to put the other dogs to sleep because that's what baby pets do. But he is my precious little pumpkin. So let's jump into it. First, Spruce and Maddie. Let's see if they get along. All right, Team Blueberry. Of course, we will dress them in some blueberry clothes. They don't seem to mind each other so far. She might have already been wearing, let's see, Spruce is a he and Maddie is a she. I'll try to remember that. Did you see how she shook right there? It's kind of like instead of shaking hands, they just shake like the way a dog shakes. That's funny. Oh, good. They're play fighting. That's lovely. They have some camaraderie. Let's see if we can find. Aw. And let's go ahead and bring out Team Raspberry, because apparently, again, just like the last competition I had, it's instead of 3 teams against each other, it's more like Blueberry against everyone else. So we have that, and they really like each other. That's sweet. So now, yes, Tucker and Davina. Tucker is from Abby, and I love those short legs. He looks like he's part corgi or something. And he's the only Blackberry, so Tucker, I hope you fight hard for Team Blackberry, because you are their sole representative this game. And Tucker is a he. Let's see how they feel about a Team Blackberry dog. All right. Now he's got his, oh good, now they're having a lovely little play fight. That's good. They've got good sportsmanship, or sports dogship, I should say. Let's see how Davina fits in with them. She's our Team Raspberry dog. All right. Davina was born in, I think, February 22, so I've had her a little while. She's a classic from my family. That's why I put her on the team this year. I think she's been in 2 Olympics before. This is her 3rd year. And we got no bullying going on. Everything's going well so far. Aw, someone's getting bullied. Who's getting bullied? Who is it? Who's getting bullied? Someone's whining. They sound like they're being abused. Like somebody's beating their butt. I don't know why. Oh no, it's Maddie's bullying Davina, I think. Oh, come on, guys. You guys gotta calm down. You guys need to just calm down. Okay. I'm gonna throw, so this is how it works. I'm going to just give this ball a good throw, and then whoever picks it up first and jumps through the hoop gets a fly ball point. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna throw, and then 2 minutes. Okay, who's gonna make the first? Oh, Tucker! Tucker got it! Tucker is going hard for Team Blackberry. Look at him, he got it. He made the first one. Oh, Team Blackberry. On the rise this game. I hope I don't lose the hoop. Oh, he's trying to get it. He's trying to get it. He's almost got it. I don't want to distract him with the hoop. Get it, Tucker! He got it! He got it. And then the other one's jumping through the hoop. Tucker's got the ball. Tucker made the 2nd point. He made the 2nd point for Blackberry. Now can he make another one? Who's going to get the next? Davina. Davina's got it. Oh my. I love how all of them jump through the hoop. No, Davina. Think of your team. I think she's too busy getting bullied or in the chaos. They're all trying to get the ball. Spruce is, he's a little angry about somebody. Yes! Okay. Davina made 1 point for Raspberry. Okay. Come on, guys. Oh, yes. Oh, come on, come on. Maddie, Spruce, somebody get it. Somebody get it. Get it. Who got it? Did someone pick? Oh, Tucker got it. Tucker got it. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. I didn't see he just picked it up. Tucker, can you make another one? Tucker, jump, Tucker. Yes. 3 for Blackberry. That's 3. 1 for Davina. Oh my goodness. We don't need to lose the hoop. Nobody's got it. Someone pick it up. Ah, Spruce, get it. Get it. Get it, Spruce. Somebody jump. Okay, they didn't make it. Nobody got it. Okay, that was pretty exciting. Tucker did really well. He made 3. Davina got 1. I love how like they just continuously jump through the hoop, like whether they have the ball or not. It's a remarkable waterfall of Petz jumping through the hoop. So that was round 1. Tucker made 3. Davina made 1. Let's do round 2. Let's go ahead and do round 2. I think I'm gonna keep Davina in this one too because we gotta have somebody play for Team Raspberry, and she really likes Flyball, like I said. Tucker's the only Blackberry, so it only makes sense to keep them in here. Now we're gonna bring out Foe and Bow. I know I said I was going to do 4 games, but we don't have as many dogs as I thought we would have, so I think maybe let's just keep it at 2 this time. So let's see how they like their teammates. Looks like they're all getting along. That's nice. For now, at least. Seems like before they were getting along too until they realized it was a competition, and then they started to bully each other. Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So we have Fo, Bo, Davina, and Tucker. And let's see, Bo and Fo are both boys. Okay, they're all boys except for Davina. All right. I'm going to grab another hoop just in case I lose that one and I panic in the middle of a round. We're going to throw the ball and now we start. Okay, let's see. Tucker's going for it. I think Blackberry's going to win at the rate that this is. The rate this is going, I think Blackberry is going to win. Oh, Tucker's distracted. He's not as focused. I thought he was about to make another one. Oh, who's gonna get it? I'm tempted to bring out 2 balls. I don't know if that would be cheating or not. Tucker, yes, he made another one. Fo fell on the grass. Oh, looks like Fo got one. Yes, oh no, Fo didn't make it. Bo, how could you do that to Fo? Y'all are on the same team. Bo almost made it, but he didn't. Tucker is the only one with a point this round. Oh no, what? Fo just keeps getting bossed around. Okay, Tucker made another one. I think Blackberry's gonna win. Tucker has been trained well. He clearly has a lot of passion for the sport. Fo is trying again. All right, Fo made one for Blueberry. It's about time Blueberry makes one. 2, so that's 2 Tucker, 1 Blueberry. Is he gonna make another one? Yes. Come on, Fo. Yes. Oh, no, he didn't make it. I thought he did. No. Come on, Fo. Yes, so Fo made 2, Tucker made 2. And Fo is bullying Tucker because he's probably jealous. Okay, wow. So, look at him go. That one doesn't count because, okay, so 2 Fo, 2 Tucker. Well, okay, guys, I just reviewed the footage just to make sure I didn't miscount any scores, and the results are in. Tucker made 2, Fo made 2, even though Bo kept trying to sabotage Fo despite being on the same team. They each made 2, so Tucker made a total of 5 across 2 games. Davina made 1. I'm kind of surprised she didn't make more than 1. I think she was so caught up in the party. And then Fo made 2. So congratulations, Fo and Tucker. Tucker was top dog. And I'm pretty pleased with this. Tucker did really well, and I think everybody had a lot of fun doing this. Let's see. Let's bring out Jay and just let Jay have a little bit of a celebration with them. Because he's cute. He needs the socialization. Let's bring everybody out for the celebration on the playpen and just see how they like Jay. Surely Jay remembers Maddie. Yeah, just letting Jay say hi to everybody before they go back home. Yeah, well, that's it, you guys. Looks like Team Blackberry is the winner. I'm proud of Tucker, and I'm thankful for everybody who sent their pets in for this day of fun. Thank you guys for watching. I really look forward to the next one. Who knows, I might do another one this next weekend. Take care, and happy Summer Olympics, you guys.